Hello YouTube viewers and collectors, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to review this case of Johnny Lightning, and it's Muscle Cars USA 2019 Release 2. I already reviewed Release A and this is Release B. Already pre-opened the box. So let's have a look inside at the cars. Let's take the first one out. And here it is. Cars and Coffee. One of 4,000 pieces. And this is a Plymouth GTX Convertible. Try to adjust the light a bit. Front light blue poly. It's nice. Rubber tires. Let's have a look at the back of the package. These are the cars in this set. Those two sets I already bought also, but I haven't reviewed them yet. This is the code. Okay. Let's have a look at the next one. That's 1963 Ford Galaxie 500 in peacock blue. Also from the series Cars and Coffee. 4,000 pieces. Nice tail lights. Let's have a look at the bottom of the car. Rubber tires. Next one. That's from the series Barn Finds. Also 4,000 pieces. The color is Venetian red. A nice dirty version. Nice grille. Different rims. Yeah, nice piece. Next one. That's a beauty. I do like them, the Daytonas. This one is from 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. Bright blue poly. Different rims. All rusty. Front side. Nice spoiler. Yes, that's a nice piece. All dirty and rusty. Next one. It's a Plymouth Cuda 1970 in the color Lemon Twist. Also a dirty version from the barn finds. Tail lights, dirty windows. Nice version. Next one. And this is a Corvair, Chevy Corvair 1962. Also 4,000 pieces. In the color Roman red. The other one from the other version from set E is a very nice one with blue and yellow stripes from Sunoco. Front. But this is also a nice stock version from the series Cars and Coffee. Metal base, rubber tires. This is a great set. Well, those are all. Thanks for watching and see you at my next video. Bye.